Harry from Piedmont, California has a question about replacement windows.
He's been watching our YouTube videos about window replacement, so he has a question. Harry writes, my current windows all have single pane glass, and a contractor told us that there's no need to replace the aluminum frames. He instead suggested replacing, stay with this one, he instead suggested replacing the single panes with double pane windows and slot them right back in. All the work can be done from indoors, he says. Can that be done? I feel like I'm missing something here. What do you say for Harry?
It could be done. It doesn't make any sense to do it, but the whole idea about window replacement is you upgrade the frames. The aluminum frames are the problem, and not the glass. If it was a single pane window in a vinyl frame, it would be very energy efficient because the frame wouldn't get cold and pull the heat out of the glass or keep the heat from coming in. It doesn't make sense. Could it be done? Yes. Should you do it? No. If you're going to do this for window replacement, a better quality frame, the upgrade on that, and of course you'll get double pane now because that's pretty much standard across the board. And it'll probably have a low-E coating, and it'll have an argon gas, and you'll have all that good stuff. So I'm not sure why the contractor wants to do that. I suspect he's not a window replacement person.
Probably a glazier.
Yeah, or he just doesn't understand the difference in the windows and how window replacement works. So you got to be careful.
Well, it could be something else too. Now, Harry, don't take this personally, but he's in California, and it could be historical preservation of those aluminum frames.
Well, then he would ask that. No, that's not. That's not enough.
I'm kidding. All right. Yeah, and besides, the other thing about the vinyl windows, even if you step up and go to the composite windows, that I'm sure they're available in California,
or even wood windows in California work. They never rains most of the time.
Well, most of the time, right? But you can get thinner frames on those, so you're actually going to get more light in. So trying to retrofit something that was a bad idea in the beginning, an aluminum window, that's not a winner.
Yeah, it was one time, and the only thing it was an upgrade, but not anymore. No, it's not.
You can upgrade your understanding of problems around your house and get answers, easy and free. Just send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form. We'll answer them like these videos over here. Look at those.
Ding.
You can get yours on there too.